Well, let's get you updated on what to expect, not just in the short term, but also looking ahead to tomorrow. In fact, we've extended the alert through Wednesday because of the severe storm threat. Now, most of what we saw happen today was right across central Indiana. It is starting to drift a little farther to the south, but we're still expecting more rounds of storms, and some of those could contain some damaging winds. Let's talk about what's been moving through Indy currently. Thank you to Justin, who told me about some hail on the southwest side, Southport Road at Tibbs. We saw some pea-sized hail there. Also, again, we had the concerns at the State Fair and at Everwise as the storms were pushing through. There is no warning out for the metro currently, but we are still tracking storms to the west. In fact, a new severe thunderstorm warning has just been issued for the storm that's moving out of Champaign, Illinois area over into the eastern parts of Illinois, where it has been showing some rotation. So this is where we're really going to be watching carefully. That severe thunderstorm warning will go until 6:15. That's an hour from now, just shy of an hour from now, because of that storm that's going to continue pushing to the east, and it's that storm that we're watching. This one is showing some rotation, so we're going to have to watch it likely as it moves just north of Terre Haute or into Terre Haute. Still a very active pattern. What we've seen is one wave of storms that move through, then another that used up some of the atmosphere during the day, then another that's still using up some of the atmosphere that during the day didn't get worked over by those storms. I have a feeling we'll do this all over again for tomorrow. The threat today has been across Indiana. Now it's pushed a little farther to the south and east, but tomorrow there's the threat. And here's the thing. I think for Thursday, we're going to continue to stay with this boundary that lingers here and gives us storm chance after storm chance after storm chance. Here's future track. Here's a bit of good news. We should get a break once this system moves on through. At least most of the modeling is telling us we'll get a break this evening. Then overnight, we'll pick this back up, potentially in the morning, yet again, almost identical to what we did today. Unfortunately, because this may impact some of the same locations, we could get into a flooding situation, especially mid to late morning, even across Indy, as there's going to be a boundary here that just sits with storms redeveloping. We have that boundary closer to Muncie today. I think it's going to be a little closer to Indy for tomorrow. This could be our axis of flooding. Then we'll see another round of some storms rolling on through. This will likely bring us into the afternoon. Sean and I will probably be here doing exactly the same thing for tomorrow. And then as we head into Wednesday evening, thankfully things are quieting down. So your 7-day does include that alert through Wednesday, but storms likely expected through the rest of the week. And then hoping Saturday and Sunday we get a little break. We'll call it a few thunderstorms for Saturday and mostly sunny skies for Sunday.